Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another episode of Stitches Biz Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I'm so glad to share with you how to make this easy and fluffy doormat using sack bag. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So you get your sack bag and then you cut out the shape you want, being it any shape, after you sew the edges of the sack, as you can see I have done. And then after you make the design, or you leave it like that, you can draw your design to guide you easily, or you leave it like that if you don't want any design, so such as this, or you leave it this way. So after you get your yarn, any color of your choice, and then your crochet pin, a pair of scissors, and then this roll paper. Okay, so you are going to roll the wool around the paper, the T-roll paper. Okay, so we get the correct measurement. After you cut it off, then you pull it out of the paper. So after pulling it out, you fold it into two, as you can see, and then you cut both sides. So that is going to give you the correct measurement that we are going to use, or the correct size we are going to use. So you repeat the same thing to all the colors you are using, as you can see. So the sizes are equal. And with your crochet pin, you go through one side of the sack, and then you take your yarn and fix it as I'm doing. Then you pull it out. So you pull it out and then you create a loop. Okay, so you go through with both ends, then you pull it out so it's locked. Then with your crochet pin, you go through one side of the sack as I'm doing, and then you fix one yarn, a piece of yarn, so because we've cut them, and then you fix it, you pull it out as we did with the first one, and then you create a loop to prevent it from coming out. Then you pull it out, and then it's tagged. So you go on with the same method. You go through the sack, fix your yarn, pull it out, and then you create a loop, or let me say you lock it. So this is all we are going to do throughout the making of this doormat. It's so easy but time taking. Okay, so we are using the same method throughout till we are done with the full shape of the doormat. So finally, we are done with our doormat. After some days, please, I beg, you can't use 1 day for this, or you can't use 2 days for it. It will take some days because you need to fix them one by one. But after you are done, you admire your own handwork. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my tutorials, please comment and share as well. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Have a nice day and bye.